Thank you, Mr. President. This issue about patient care, caring in general, safety, accuracy, truth, are issues certainly deserving time in this chamber for discussion, for decision making, for providing for our people, not just us here elected, our staff, people in the galleries, people across our state. And insofar as Michigan in the past has been in the forefront of many things in our nation, for our nation, how those overarching ideals and needs, how that framework that led all of us to put our names on ballots, that issue of caring is resolved, can be pretty complex, it appears. We need to start with accurate data, accurate understanding of the past, the present, and how these issues might go. For example, the notion that this is a one-of-a-kind law is just not so. Texas has the same law, Ohio, Oregon, Utah, New Jersey, Arizona, and North Dakota. And others are pending. It does not add to the quality of the debate to mischaracterize the issue. Let's talk for a moment about the poster child for this issue, Vioxx, which has about a 1 in 10,000, I believe. I'm being a physician. I've had the responsibility to deal with a lot of folks who have the pain and the crippling and the suffering associated with arthritis. In medicine, we deal with the issue of quality of life and quantity of life. That comes to us too as legislators. The inability to get out of a chair, being imprisoned within your body, issues that drugs like Celebrex and Vioxx, Motrin, ibuprofen, the sort of drugs that the senator from East Lansing, looking for your number here, mentioned. Those are part of the good things those drugs are about. They're also not just quality of life saving, they are in fact life saving, because they cut down the incidence of gastrointestinal bleeding. Now, as a physician, I want to describe to you what it's like when you watch somebody vomit blood. It's frightening. And blood is partially digested by the contents of stomach acids. And if you're bleeding so darn fast that you don't digest it, it comes up red. And if it's partially digested, it looks burgundy. And these drugs have cut down the number of deaths in our country dramatically from gastrointestinal bleeds. But they aren't all good, because there is a small incidence of increase in heart attack. These things are all in the product information that is present and given to patients at the time they're sold and on which doctors are educated. This should be part of the debate too. And it will be. And hopefully caring will be what this is about. I ask my remarks be printed in the record and look forward to further discussions on this important issue.